Hey everyone, I'm Joelle.
I'm Mike.
I'm Buchanan.
Patrick.
And we are here continuing our multi-part series with TechTheLead, exploring extraordinary tech.
We are on a beautiful beach overlooking the ocean with a brand new Soundcast VG10 speaker, wireless speaker.
But I think for me, the Mavic Air is a perfect balance of size and quality. Here we go. Woo!
Another really exciting thing about this phone is that it has 4 cameras, 2 on the back and 2 on the front. Nice. Perfect.
The clarity and everything coming out of the speaker makes you feel like you're in the theater.